So this is it, guys, a big moment for me. I gotta be honest, I'm a little bit worried because I did damage that housing and I haven't started it since I repaired the starter a few days ago, so I'm curious to see if everything's gonna work. I'm just gonna go ahead and videotape it, guys, whether it works or not. We'll go through it together. I'm a little nervous, to be honest. So far what we got is a starter repair fail. I think it'll still start though. I'm going to keep trying. Two out of the three issues with this tractor have been repaired. The steering is fixed, I believe. I believe the equalizer, the brake equalizer is fixed, but the starter, I think I'm going to have to get a new Bendix for the starter. It's still giving me fits, you know, still not working right. May just have to break down and buy a new Bendix for it. Anyways, all filled up with hydraulic oil. I want to run this for a good hour and get the hydraulic fluid really warmed up, hot, and make sure there's no leaks. And we'll see how it does, guys. So I'm happy to report there are no leaks. The brake equalizer and steering motor underneath the steering wheel are not leaking. Those hydraulic leaks have been fixed. If you hadn't seen the videos on those leak repairs and also a starter repair video, I'm going to leave a link in the description below where you guys can watch those if you hadn't seen me yet. There's one last hydraulic leak that I know of that needs to be repaired. And it is down here, and it is this hose right here. Let me get you down there and show you what's going on with it. So as you can see, there's a small crack right there in the line. It's been rubbing against that metal on the frame there and caused it to leak. So that's what we need to get fixed. So the line's off. I'm going to take it outside and attempt to silver solder it. If you can see right there, I know it's hard to see, but it's rubbed and there is a pinhole. So first I sanded her off. Next I wrapped it up in a cold wet rag so I wouldn't burn the rubber. Don't want to damage the hose, you know. Next a little flux. And now I'm going to heat it up and get her all soldered up and fixed real nice. Well, that didn't work. It's still leaking, so I took the old line off and threw it in the trash. And here's a brand new line. I put the old shield on it. But this is a teachable moment. There's guys out there that can patch everything. You know, heat it up with a torch, patch it up, no problem. And then there's guys like me who can't. New line's installed and I drove it around a little bit. Let me get under here and show you what's going on. So there it is. And what I did, the reason it was rubbing a hole through is because it was rubbing against this metal here. I kind of ground it out just a little bit with a grinder. I put a piece of rubber inner tube on here just so it would have something to go against instead of just the metal tube. I'm going to investigate that a little bit more and see what's going on. But that's where it was rubbing, and this should work for now. That's all I have time for today. I hope to get this tractor outside, get it pressure washed, cleaned up. I'll run it for a while, get it good and hot, and then park it inside and see if we got any leaks left to fix. But I think we're in pretty good shape. So I hope everybody enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it, and we'll see you next time.